Hello some viewers, how are you all? Welcome back to the video. Guys, in this video we are going to discuss how to make sure that you see comments visible in a YouTube video. Okay. For that guys, navigate to YouTube channel. Click on YouTube. As you can see here, learn and ask are there. Okay. There is no comment section. How do we resolve this guys? For that guys, you have to click on the settings here. Click on the settings of your YouTube channel. So you can see general switch, family center, languages, time management, notifications, etc. Click on general. So here you will see appearance, rotate shots, playback and feeds, location, restricted mode, enable stats for nerds, earn badges. See, restricted mode is enabled. Disable the restricted mode. Try to play the same video. Now you can see the comments are visible. Hope you like the video guys. If you like the video, please click on like. If you're a new viewer, please click on subscribe. Till then guys, take care. Have a great day. Bye bye.